Imagine transforming any photo in seconds with no complex software and no editing skills. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Chief. Hi, I am Josh. Today, we're looking at a tool that delivers exactly what it promises. Welcome to the world of Cutout Pro, a versatile AI-powered tool designed to handle all your photo editing needs with precision and ease. Stick around to see what makes this tool so powerful. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell icon for amazing reviews on AI tools. So, what exactly is Cutout Pro? In a nutshell, it is an AI-based image and video editing tool that excels in removing backgrounds, enhancing photos, and even generating animations. It is designed to make photo editing simple, fast, and accessible to users of all levels. If you need professional quality edits without spending a lot of money on complex software, Cutout Pro could be the solution for you. Let's take a look at some of the standout features of Cutout Pro. One of the most popular features is its automatic background removal. Whether you are editing product photos or creating professional portraits, Cutout Pro uses AI to detect subjects and remove backgrounds accurately in seconds. The next exciting feature is the Photo Enhancer tool. It is used to upgrade the quality of any image, even those taken with lower resolution cameras. It is perfect for restoring details, enhancing clarity, and making your photos look sharp and vibrant. At third comes the Cartoonizer. Cutout Pro also offers this feature, which turns photos into cartoon-style images. This can be a fun way to add a unique style to your portraits or create eye-catching visuals for various projects. Like any tool, Cutout Pro has its strengths and weaknesses. Let's break them down. Cutout Pro has a user-friendly interface that is accessible for beginners. It gives highly accurate background removal, even with complex edges. Cutout Pro offers versatile editing options from animation to cartoon effects. It provides time-saving features that streamline the editing process. As far as its limitations are concerned, it gives limited control to users who want detailed adjustments. In addition, to access advanced features, you need a subscription. And lastly, image processing speed can vary with larger files. Then, who would benefit the most from Cutout Pro? If you are a content creator, marketer, designer, or small business owner, this tool could really simplify your workflow. It is ideal for anyone needing fast, professional edits, without the steep learning curve of traditional software. Now, let's talk pricing. Cutout Pro offers a free version with access to basic features, but for the full experience, there are paid plans starting from $5. It is a solid investment if you are a frequent photo editor or need high-quality results regularly. In summary, Cutout Pro is a powerful yet user-friendly tool that combines advanced AI with intuitive features. Cutout Pro makes professional photo and video editing accessible to everyone. If you are looking to elevate your visuals and save time, it is definitely worth exploring. That's all from our side. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Chief for more in-depth reviews and insights on the best AI tools out there.